Alright, here's a 2013 Nissan Altima 4-cylinder with a P0014 code and a P0300 multi-misfire. What it comes down to is a VVT solenoid. There was 3 on this car. In order to get to this one, you gotta take the wheel off. Take the little black plastic panel that's off over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws over here and 1 straight on the bottom. Once you take the panel off, the VVT solenoids are down in the bottom. Now there's 3 of them. One's a locking, which is the one in the back over here. You can actually see it from the top. Then there's 2 coming up this way. One's an intake and one's an exhaust. And they're all the same. The solenoids are all the same. All 3 of them, you can mix them, match them. They're roughly about 80 bucks. Dorman makes it, Duralast makes it at AutoZone. Alright, Dorman has a lifetime warranty. I believe AutoZone Duralast only has a 1-year warranty. And it's like a $7 difference. So for $7, you buy the extra warranty. It's good for lifetime. Alright, I'm going to show you where it is. Let's see if I can show it to myself first. All the way up on top. All the way up on top. This is the plug right here that I took off. You can see it. And over there in the corner, a little hard to see that, but right around there, it's a 10mm bolt, and a solenoid comes right out. So that is one. The other one is right next to it. Let me see if I can show it to you here. Okay, that's the other one. Right there, you can see it. It's got the little bolt holding it. Let's try to hold it from here. All right, that's the other one. Okay, one is down there, one over here, and the other one is up further. It's right there. Okay, that one over here. Okay, so that's a lock one. The intake one is still in there. I took out the exhaust one. So the way we're going to test it, manually of course, is we're gonna supply 12 volts to it and a ground, and it should make like a little shuddering sound. All right, hang on. Let's bring you around. Let's bring you to the testing center. Hold on. All right. See what we got here. So a solenoid comes out. Here it is right here. That's the 10mm bolt. So there's a little O-ring. Give it a little twist, and it comes right out. Squeeze the little tab, unplug it. It's only 2 terminals. I got little alligator clips, one positive, one negative. Doesn't matter which way. No polarity. And the way it works is that the solenoid, which is this, pulls on the little valve, which is inside those holes. And that valve is going to go back and forth and click whenever it's needed, whenever the engine asks for it. So to test it, we are going to hook up 1 wire to the positive, 1 wire to the negative, and it should make like a clicking sound, and you should actually see the solenoid moving. Okay? If it doesn't move, then the solenoid is no good. So let me see how I'm going to set this up for you so you guys can see it. Alright, so here it is. I set it up with a ground wire, positive wire to the 2 terminals. We're going to touch this to positive over here, and you can actually see like a little spark. See? And the solenoid is not moving. So clearly the solenoid is no good. Can you hear it? You can hear the spark actually. Alright, so the solenoid is no good. That's the way to check it, this way manually. The other way, if you have a nice expensive scanner, Snap-on or one of those factory laptops, you can actually send power to it and see if it's working. But to do it manually, just remove it, bolt, spin it out, test it. Alright, it's supposed to have a shuttle valve go in and out. Alright, so that's it. Time for a new one. Off to the store. Oh, look what I did. What I did was I stuck a screwdriver in here. You can make it move. It was stuck like this before. I touched it, now it's free now. But it was up here. I went and I hit this, and now it moves. See, so it was definitely stuck this way. I have to go back and look at the video, but you notice that that line was towards the front. Now it's back here. See it? So now, of course, I freed it up, but you know it's bad because it's binding. All right, you know what? I'm going to test it again. I'm going to see if it clicks. Hold on. All right, so I pushed it back. I'm going to try it. I think it's no good because it'll move forward and then it'll jam. All right, so watch on the little hole there, and you're going to watch it. See that? And now it's sparking off the positive. That's it. It's jammed. Definitely no good. So yeah, I can push it back by hand. That's it. Case done. Enough testing. Time for a new one. All right. That's it. P0014. That is the problem. Okay. To put it back, of course, like it's easy. Put a little lubricating oil on there. Stick it back in there. Put the little 10 bolt in there. Plug it back in. Put all your panels back together. Clear the code. And you should be good. All right. Ciao for now.